Did you know that Republic Act 8551, Title 5, Section 39, creates the Internal Affairs Service of the Philippine National Police? One of its key functions is to conduct summary hearings for PNP members facing administrative charges. To ensure fairness and transparency, the EAS follows the revised rules of procedure outlined in NMC No. 2016-002. These rules are crucial in maintaining discipline and protecting the rights of both the accused and the complainants, ensuring justice within the PNP. This set of guidelines ensures due process, fairness, and efficiency in handling complaints and disciplinary cases within our institution. Step 1. Filing and assignment of cases to Summary Hearing Officer. If probable cause is found, the Internal Affairs Service shall, within 5 days from receipt and docketing of the complaint, assign and transmit the same to a Summary Hearing Officer. Step 2. Issuance of summons by show. The designated Summary Hearing Officer shall issue a summons within 3 days from receipt or docketing of the complaint, as the case may be, to be served upon the respondent, directing him/her to submit his/her answer within an inextensible period of 7 working days from receipt thereof. Step 3. Filing of answer. The answer shall be in writing under oath and must contain material facts, which may either be a specific denial or affirmation of the allegations in the complaint, as well as the presence of mitigating circumstances, if any. The respondent may attach therewith documentary evidence in support of his defense. Step 4. Within 15 days from receipt of the answer, the Summary Hearing Officer shall conduct the pre-hearing conference for the purpose of defining and simplifying the issue of the case, entering into admission and/or stipulation of facts, marking of exhibits after proper identification by the parties or signatories, threshing out other matters relevant to the case. The proceedings in the pre-hearing conference shall be recorded, duly signed by the parties and Summary Hearing Officer. Step 5. Submission of position papers. The Summary Hearing Officer shall direct the parties to file, within 15 days from the termination of the pre-hearing conference, their respective verified position papers in lieu of a full-blown hearing, taken into account the summary nature of administrative proceedings. The position papers shall contain only those charges, defenses, and other claims contained in the affidavits and pleading filed by the parties. Any additional relevant affidavits and/or documentary evidence may be attached by the parties to their position papers. Step 6. One-time clarificatory hearing. Within 5 days from receipt of the position paper of the parties or after the expiration of the period to file the same, a party may move or the Summary Hearing Officer may issue an order for the conduct of a one-time clarificatory hearing, where the parties shall be allowed to be present and submit written clarificatory questions to the Summary Hearing Officer, which will determine whether or not the question are necessary and relevant to the fact and issue. Step 7. Submission of report of investigation and resolution. The Summary Hearing Officer, whenever applicable, is required to submit a report of investigation within 30 days from the date the case is submitted for resolution, which shall contain the findings of facts and the corresponding recommendation accompanied by the complete original records. And finally, Step 8. The decision shall contain the full name of the parties, rank and assignment of the respondent, the offense charge, a brief statement of the material and relevant facts, the finding as established by the evidence on record, the conclusion, the applicable laws, rules and regulations, jurisprudence, and the disposition thereof. The disciplinary action imposed upon a member of the PNP shall be final and executory, provided that a disciplinary action imposed by the PNP Regional Director, involving demotion or dismissal from the service, may be appealed to the RAB within 10 days from receipt of the copy of the notice of decision. This structured process ensures justice, accountability, and fairness. It guarantees that both complainants and respondents receive due process. Upholding these standards reinforces the integrity of our administrative and legal systems. And that ends our discussion. Thank you.